Ever stared at a pile of homegrown tomatoes, unsure how to use them before they spoil? Here's how to turn surplus tomatoes into a quick pickled relish, perfect for sandwiches and barbecues. Saving tomatoes matters because it cuts food waste and adds flavor to your meals. Start by chopping 500 grams of ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 red capsicum. Place them in a colander with a tablespoon of salt, mixing well, and let them drain for 30 minutes. This step draws out excess moisture so your relish isn't watery. Rinse briefly and squeeze out any extra liquid. In a saucepan, combine 200 ml white vinegar and 100 grams sugar. Stir in a teaspoon each of mustard seeds and ground turmeric. Add your drained veg, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Watch the heat. Too high and it'll burn, too low and the flavors won't meld. Once thickened, spoon the relish into a clean jar, seal, and cool. You've just turned a tomato glut into something delicious. The key takeaway? A quick pickled relish is a simple, tasty way to waste less and enjoy your garden's bounty.